starting my morning with a clean counter. It just sets the tone for the day. So what I do, I make sure that it is clean, everything clean first, then afterwards the breakfast will be ready in a few. Yes. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is for you. If you love cleaning videos, just stick in, don't leave, don't go. I hope you love it here. By the way, I changed my channel name to Clean and Cozy with Adhiambo, so don't get confused. I'm not using with Love Valerie anymore. I'm using Clean and Cozy with Adhiambo, so don't get confused. Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and kindly remember to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much. watching, and thank you for being here. Bye guys, we'll see each other again on another video that I'll be posting on Sunday evening. So kindly hit that bell so that anytime I post a video you'll be notified. Yeah, so hit that, and kindly remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I promise that you will love it here. Thank you so much for being here, by the way.